Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. So firstly, make sure that you enable Bluetooth. Open Control Panel and enable it if it's disabled. Now, this earbud should reconnect with your phone automatically, but there is a problem for iOS devices that we need to do this manually. We need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at the earbuds. Also, you can try to do the same on your Android. Sometimes it happened with all phones. Okay. Next step is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone, and we can see this at the Bluetooth. After that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone automatically. Then check if it didn't fix this problem. We need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, and inside the case we have connectional button. Press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to only go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so then just tap on them at the device list. And we did it. Now, if the factory reset didn't help you, I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once we did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to the general settings. So click at the general line, then scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone. Tap at this line also, then click reset. In this window we need to select reset network settings, because there is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. Now, write your password and click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings. And then we need to go to the system. So scroll down, system, then scroll down again, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have reset options. Tap at this line, right here select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!